Hello guys, welcome to an Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make your platforms have collision when you are over them, but not when you are under them. This is a very known mechanic in 2D games, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it in Unreal Engine 5. This platform on the left doesn't have this implemented. This platform on the right does. So yeah, let's get right into it. First, we need to have our asset pack. I decided to import this asset pack from itch.io. It's called Pixel Adventure. It's free to download. Great asset pack. But anyways, after you downloaded it and imported it into your assets or into your project, you need to find the terrain, your terrain texture, and you need to right click it, and you need to go to sprite actions and create tile set. You can name it whatever you want. In this case, I'm just going to leave it as whatever it names it. Then after that, you want to open it and set the tile size to 16 by 16 because that's the correct tile size. And you want to add some collision to our platform here. And to do that, you just click on the platform and then you click add box, and we can tick colliding tiles to see our collision. And as you can see, that has collision, everything else doesn't, which is fine. But anyways, after you've done that, you want to go back to your tile set, right click, create tile map, and then you're gonna call it tm_platform. And this platform is gonna be our actual platform. And then we'll just open that up, and as you can see, we have an empty canvas here, and we can put in our platform right here. Put it at 0, 0. And I just want to remove all this white space. We don't want to have this, so we're gonna set our map width to 3 by 1. Which is just our actual tile map. And that's it. That's how you create your tile map. Let's get moving on to the blueprint part. Moving on to the blueprints, you want to find a folder, your platforms folder. You want to right click blueprint class, and you want to search tile map actor. You want to select this one and click select. Name it BP_platforms_base. Control S to save, and then open it up. In here is going to be our base class, where basically we're going to have all our platforms and how they should react. In our event graph, you want to delete the event actor begin overlap and the event begin play, and leave the event tick. In this event tick, we're going to have a function. So we want to go to the left, create a function. We're going to call this update collision. And in this update collision, what we need to do is basically find out the player's Z location relative to the platform. And to do that, we need to cast to BP_paper character base. We want to get player character as our object. We'll just do this one. And in the as paper character base, we want to get actor location, split the return value, and we want to get the Z value. We want to subtract the Z value by 75. And once we've subtracted it, we want to do a greater than node. So greater than. And then over here into the empty space, we want to get actor location. Split the return value. And put in the Z right here. And then in our branch, we're going to be updating our collision. So what this is saying is at a certain point, in this case, 75 below our actual actor location, if that actor location is greater than, that means we're above our Z location of the platform, we're going to turn it on. We're going to turn on the collision. So we want to set collision enabled of our render component. And we want to set it to collision enabled. And then we can just copy paste, and we can turn it off on false because that means we are below it. And we just turn it off to no collision. And that's the whole thing with the update collision. Now in our event tick, we just want to add the execution note to update collision. And that's as far as the coding goes. We want to close this, and we want to go to our BP_platforms base, right click, create child blueprint class, and we just want to name it I'll just name it BP_platforms. And over here, we're going to open this up, and in our render component, we're going to add our BP_platform, which is the platform we created earlier. And now if we bring this onto our level, and we'll put this as 0 on the Y to make sure it's actually leveled with our tile map, and we'll just put this like right here, and we'll click play. And if we're below it, there's no collision, but if we are above it, there is collision. And that's how you set up the one-way collision for your platforms in 2D games. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys want me to do in the comments, and yeah, thank you.